All right, you guys, another day, another piece of fast food. So today, I stopped up at Taco Bell to try their dollar burritos. Now here's the thing, I'm not really a fan of cheese inside of a burrito. Well, not really a fan of cheese at all. So I ordered the grand burrito, and I took out the cheese and sour cream, if there's any cream in there, and I added in black beans for 30 cents. And then I got the grand nacho burrito, no sour cream, no 3-cheese blend, no nacho cheese. Had them add in black beans and rice for 60 cents. So that made a total of $2.90, $1.30 plus $1.60. With tax was $3.14. All right, let's get this party started. I grabbed some El Diablo sauce and fire sauce. All right, you guys, let's go. Now, napkins. Oh, shoot. So I had to grab the napkins. All right. Now it is once again freezing cold in Vegas today. Not like summertime at all. All right, let's check it out. Now this must be, I don't know which is which. Let's give it a bite and find out. Okay, looks wrapped up okay. Not sloppy. No real spills, not really. Let's take a bite. Once again, I give Taco Bell credit for adding items to their menu. You know, and a dollar burrito that's damn cheap. You know? So, you know, a quick bite, fill you up. Mm-hmm. The taste. First, it's hot. Mm-hmm. The tortilla, for me, feels fine. It's nice and soft. Mm-hmm. The chicken does not taste dry. The whatever sauce they're using is fine. It has a nice taste to it. It doesn't taste like fake. How some places, when you order food, you think like, hey man, this is all fake and chemicals, right? It don't taste like that. This fire sauce is hot, but it's not crazy hot. So hey, Diablo. All right. Up. The Diablo sauce is hotter than the fire sauce, but it's not crazy hot, which will last for like 10 minutes. It's hot for a little bit, but it's not like crazy, which is good. I guess, like I always say, for the masses, you cannot have a crazy spicy hot sauce and expect to sell it. Just won't work. This is the enchilada, also $4, but like I said, I changed some items out. So I swapped out the sour cream and cheese for black beans, some beans, whatever, and you know, it was weird. Those crunchy bits. I rarely go to Taco Bell. $1 a toss. You know, it comes down to why not. You know, these crunchy bits are crunchy. The rice feels like it's been, you know, cooked properly and everything else. Is the rice in here? Wait a minute. Whatever's in here. Tastes great. One last Diablo. Let's just drown this baby in Diablo sauce. All right, you guys, I have in my hand the final enchilada bite. Well, maybe 2 bites. Hang on. I have in my hand the last enchilada bite. Oh. All right, you guys. That was pretty good. And I am impressed, Taco Bell. You got some punch these guys out for a buck a toss. And it's delicious. It's not all crappy, you know? The staff was friendly, the guy I talked to. Right now there's no music playing in here, so it's really quiet, which I appreciate greatly. This burrito enchilada was tasty. And so, all I can say, and like I always say, if you see it, buy it, try it. I hope you like it. Take care, wherever you are. Pardon me. Take care, wherever you are. Have a great day. I feel like Superman, right? Crushed this coal into a diamond. Didn't work. Good night.